Hey, everyone. Imagine a world where humans never took the spotlight. No bustling cities. No traffic jams, just misty rainforest ruled by glass frogs. That's right, those tiny, see-through hoppers. With glowing organs and ninja-like leaps, hiding out in Central and South America's jungles. Sounds like a wild sci-fi croak, right? Well, grab your rain boots. Because we're leaping into a what-if adventure. What if glass frogs evolved to become the planet's top bosses? Glass frogs are already the masters of rainforest stealth. These little amphibians use their translucent skin to blend into leaves, hopping agilely through treetops with a diet of juicy insects, all under the cover of night. Their glowing organs and sticky toes make them rainforest rock stars, thriving in humid hideaways like nature's own secret agents. But what if these glowing gems got a major upgrade and took over Earth? In this video, we're exploring how glass frogs could evolve into super smart rulers, build glowing jungle empires, and maybe even out-top us humans at running the planet. From bioluminescent cities to a culture of croak songs and leaf dances. This is going to be one misty, magical ride. So, stick with us as we hop into a world ruled by the ultimate see-through overlords. Let's get croaking. How did these rainforest hoppers go from leaf dwellers to Earth's big shots? So, how did these misty, rainforest-loving glass frogs go from leaf dwellers to Earth's big shots? Let's hop into the science well. Science with a dash of sci-fi croak to figure out why glass frogs could evolve into the ultimate rulers of the planet. Glass frogs are already the stealth champs of the treetops. That see-through skin lets them vanish into leaves, showing off glowing organs like nature's own night lights. While their sticky toes and agile leaps turn branches into highways. They thrive at night, munching insects with a knack for humid hideaways that keeps them one step ahead to rule Earth. Though, they need a serious brain boost and a leap of evolutionary magic. Picture this: millions of years ago, Earth gets a lush makeover. Maybe rainforests spread across the globe, or a cosmic quirk wipes out bigger predators, leaving glass frogs as the survivors. Humans never hopped past the first vine our ancestors got outleaped. But glass frogs, they're thriving in their misty playground, ready to take the stage. A lucky genetic mutation supercharges their brains, turning their insect-hunting smarts into full-on genius. Suddenly, they're not just hopping their planning inventing, maybe even hosting the first rainforest croak concert. Let's talk about their bodies, because those are the real MVPs. Those agile limbs could evolve for even nimbler leaps or delicate tool use, like crafting with leaves or resin. Their transparent skin might glow brighter, doubling as camouflage and communication, while their sticky toes grow versatile for gripping tools or building. Their nocturnal vision could sharpen, letting them navigate dark jungles with ease, all while thriving in humidity without a sweat. Unlike humans, who needed fire to cook, glass frogs could keep it cool, ruling the night with minimal fuss. Their social vibe is the secret sauce. Glass frogs are mostly solitary, but croak and glow to connect with mates or rivals. In our story, they get chattier, evolving croaks, light signals, and scent marks into a legit language. Like a rainforest symphony, their knack for cooperative leaps could spark teamwork, sharing hunting tricks or shelter hacks like human shared stories. Over time, they'd form glowing bands, linking treetop hubs with vine trails and bioluminescent paths. Why glass frogs? They've got the agility, the glow, and the smarts to seize their moment. A misty green Earth would be their stage, and they'd hop right into the starring role. Next up, we'll explore what their glowing empire looks like. Think leaf woven cities, light dances, and a whole lot of translucent flair. Stay tuned, this glass frog takeover is just getting hoppin'. We've just hopped through how glass frogs could evolve into Earth's wildest masterminds, with supercharged brains, agile leaps, and a knack for ruling the misty rainforest in their glowing playground. But what happens when these see-through hoppers start building their own empire? Hang on to your leaves, because we're leaping into the luminous, croaky world of a glass frog-run planet. Spoiler, it's like a rainforest party with extra glows, hops, and translucent flair. Picture a glass frog city sprawling across the treetops, where leaf-woven shelters and resin-crafted platforms gleam under the moonlight, linked by glowing vine bridges and bioluminescent pools. This isn't some concrete jungle, no. The hubs are patched together with leaves, vines, and sticky resin, with cozy nests tucked into branches for tadpoles to rest. Glass frogs hop across platforms, their translucent skin shimmering as they haul glowing insects. Some practicing leaps, others croaking to show off. It's a bustling, nocturnal metropolis that's equal parts magical and misty, like a sci-fi rainforest haven under the stars. Let's talk society, because these frogs keep it cooperative yet quirky. They're naturally social during breeding, led by the brightest males with the most vibrant glows. Decisions happen on leaf platforms under moonlit councils, where glass frogs croak and flashlight signals, their translucent bodies swaying like living lanterns in a lively debate. It's all about harmony and no chaos, just synchronized hops, with maybe a glowing salute to seal a good plan. Their community spirit means every frog has a role, from scouting food to guarding the best water pools. Their tech is pure rainforest ingenuity. Forget steel factories, glass frogs craft tools from leaves, vines, and resin, like nets for catching insects or scoops for gathering dew. Their agile limbs help them build bioluminescent water pools from polished leaves, keeping their treetop homes hydrated in the humidity. Picture a glass frog engineer, its glowing organs pulsing, tweaking a vine irrigation system to nourish their insect gardens. They harness the night's glow and rainforest moisture for energy, keeping their leaf hubs thriving without harming the land. It's ecotech so clever, it makes our cities look like clunky shadows. Culture. These frogs are the artists of the night. Their art is all about light. Think light pattern leaf designs or croak dances that ripple through the canopy. Festivals are aglow, with glass frogs performing synchronized leaps on leaf stages, their translucent skin catching the moonlight like a living light show. Picture a midnight ritual where clans gather, croaking in harmony as they celebrate a big insect haul. Their glows swaying like a rhythmic chant. Their language, evolved from croaks, light signals, and scent marks, is like a rainforest melody, saying everything from food here to time to hop. It's a culture of delicate joy where every frog feels part of a glowing family, bonded by their love of the night. As they spread across Earth's humid landscapes, their cities connect through vine trails and bioluminescent paths like a glowing network linking rainforest hubs from the Americas to new jungles. It's a world of agility, mystery, and rainforest charm, built on the glass frog's knack for thriving in the dark. But can they keep this glowing empire hopping? Next, we'll dive into the challenges they face, from predators to their own moisture needs. Stay with us, this glass frog saga is about to get wilder than a rainforest leap. We've just leaped through the luminous, croaky world of glass frog civilization, leaf-woven treetop cities, glowing festivals, and tech that's all about bioluminescent swagger. But ruling Earth isn't all smooth hops, even for these see-through, rainforest champs. So, what challenges could dim the glow of their hopping empire? Let's dive into the misty, croak-filled obstacles our glass frog pals might face to keep their rainforest utopia thriving. First off, the environment is a tricky vine to swing on. Glass frogs are the kings of the treetops, thriving in humid rainforest with their agile leaps and transparent skin. But Earth's not one big jungle. Try ruling scorching deserts, icy tundras, or dry plains with no moisture to soak in. Expanding beyond their misty domain means adapting to new terrains, but drought, deforestation, or floods could wilt their leaf shelters. Picture a clan racing to reinforce a vine wall as a storm drenches the canopy, their glowing organs flickering in the rain. They need to get super crafty, maybe rigging resin traps or glowing trails to scout new water sources to keep their city shining. Then there's the predator problem. Glass frogs are small, about an inch or two, but evolved snakes or human remnants could see them as a tasty snack. Imagine a tense leap-off, a squad of glass frogs, wielding resin-tipped spears, croaking fiercely as they fend off the snake coil in a misty clearing, their translucent bodies flashing like tiny beacons. Their agility and glow could shine, maybe setting up sticky traps to outmaneuver foes. But a sly predator could overwhelm even the brightest hopper. Venturing into wilder lands might bring nastier threats, like evolved birds swooping down on their tadpoles. Biology's another hurdle. Glass frogs are moisture lovers, needing damp air and a steady diet of insects to fuel their glow. Feeding a sprawling empire is tough, and overeating insects could strip their rainforest bare. Like humans overfish their oceans, their reproduction 230 eggs per clutch helps, but raising a big population takes time and human nest. Picture a glass frog leader, its organs pulsing, stressing over a shrinking dew pool while tadpoles cling nearby. Even with sharper brains, balancing food and growth would be a hopping puzzle, requiring clever insect roots or resin-stored water to keep clans thriving. Can they outleap these challenges? Their agility and glow say they've got a shot, but it's a wild rainforest dash. Next, we'll compare their misty world to ours and ask, could these glowing champs outhop humans at running? G-Earth, stay with us, this glass frog saga is getting brighter than a moonlit leap. We've just hopped through the wild challenges hour. Glass frog champs would face stormy rainforest, sneaky predators, and their insect-hungry leaps threatening their leaf-woven empire. But how does their misty, glowing world stack up against human civilization? Could these see-through hoppers really outleap us at running Earth? Let's wrap up this croaky saga with a deep dive into what their reign teaches us. plus a big, luminescent call to action to keep the adventure hopping. Let's break it down. Humans built incredible Marvel space stations orbiting the stars, towering skyscrapers, apps for ordering pizza at midnight, but we also scarred the planet with pollution, deforestation, and overfished oceans. Glass frogs, though. They're treetop settlements, crafted from leaves and glowing with bioluminescent pools, are pure rainforest magic, thriving on insects without leaving a trace of waste. Their cooperative spirit could dodge our global messes, settling disputes with croaking councils or a gentle light flash, not wars. Picture a glass frog leader, its translucent skin pulsing like a living lantern, calming a turf spat with a soft croak that's leadership with a glow. But here's the catch, the rainforest lifestyle ties them down. Humans conquered deserts, mountains, and seas with diverse tech and teamwork, while glass frogs might stay bound to humid jungles, missing a worldwide empire. Their leaf andresin tech is ingenious, but might not match our leaps, like inventing rockets or streaming shows. Still, their world is a total game changer. Glass frogs' transparent skin and agile leaps show us how to thrive in harmony with nature, turning misty canopies into kingdoms without breaking a branch. Their insect diet hunting with precision like a rainforest buffet teaches us to live lightly, using what's around without draining the land. Unlike us, they'd probably never clog their jungles with plastic or overharvest their prey to extinction. Their cooperative yet independent vibe is a masterclass in balance. Each frog guards its space, but glows together when it counts, like a community that knows when to croak and when to share. Their delicate resilience, hopping through storms with a sticky grip, inspires us to roll with setbacks and keep the spirit flowing. Like a glass frog landing a perfect leap after a rainy night. It's a wake-up call to cherish our own wilds with a bit more of their luminescent wisdom, protecting the rainforest they call home and ensuring those misty trails stay open for their hops. And our hope. So, what's the big takeaway? This glass frog utopia isn't just a croaky thought experiment, it's a mirror for us. These rainforest superstars already rule the night. Imagine what they do with the brain boost. Saving their real-world jungle habitats means a healthier planet for everyone, keeping those glowing treetops alive for their leaps in our dreams. Their reign could remind us to tread lightly, respect nature's rhythms, and maybe even find beauty in the smallest, shiniest corners of life. Could they out-thop humans at running Earth? Their agility and adaptability say they might just take the lead, and that's worth a big, glowing cheer. That's a wrap on our glass frog saga. What do you think? Would their leaf-woven world outshine our concrete chaos? Could their translucent genius save the planet? Drop your wildest ideas in the comments. We're excited to hear your croaks. If you love this misty, glow-packed adventure, smash that like button to show some love. It keeps our channel hopping. Share this video with your crew who'd geek out over a glass frog-ruled world. And hit subscribe with the bell to catch our next epic what if. Check out our other videos on alien empires, robot takeovers, or whatever crazy scenario we dream. Up next, from treetop tales to cosmic quest, we've got it all. Thanks for hopping with us. You make these adventures awesome. Keep glowing, stay misty, and we'll see you in the next video.